I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Custom. What you need to know about this thing is it's gorgeous, has beautiful iridescent paint, changes kind of color as you move. It's powered with a brand new crate 383 motor with a fresh turbo 400 transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, 4-link rear end with coilover shocks. Front is independent front suspension, airbags, beautiful interior, gorgeous interior, tilt steering wheel, odometer gauges, I did it, transmission linkage. That's the air shock, airbag control for the front, power windows. Beautiful interior. Power seats. Beautifully finished headliner. Beautiful finish here. Seat belts. Sound system with amp, 12-inch boosters, beautiful door panels, power windows, custom wood bed, beautiful paint, all steel. Four-link rear, coilovers, new fuel cell, Ford 9-inch rear end. This is where you fill it up with gas. Big old meaty rear wheels and tires. How perfect the gaps are. Just gorgeous. Has a very subtle little stripe painted on. Shaved door handles. Tires are pretty new, I think 2 or 3 years old. Custom front. It's an independent front suspension, power steering. Engine compartment very tidy. Brand new crate motor 383. Has a Holley fuel injection. Power steering, beautiful. It's like a brand new power steering rack. Serpentine belt, headers, tubular A-arms. Nice big high capacity cooling system with 2 fans. Really well done, well finished off. Look at that paint. So it has a parking brake right here, seat belts, tilt steering wheel, tachometer. So this is the control for the front airbags, power windows, automatic. We'll go for a quick drive. Very healthy. So easy truck to drive. Very comfortable, really nice seats, and they're multi-directional adjustable. I love the fuel injection on this because it makes it, you know, starts without a fuss. And it really scoots. This thing really has some great power. All the gauges are functional. Very comfortable ride. No shimmy. Brakes are excellent. Four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes. I'm going to put up this window for a little. So very nice, very comfortable. Really love this truck. It's just gorgeous. And so I've had it out in front of my shop for less than 24 hours, and I have had a steady stream of people coming to see it. This truck really attracts people. I think it's just the fit and finish, the great paint job, the really good stance. So this is a 57 Chevy 3100. It's California titled. It's smog exempt, and it's ready to go. It has brand new motor, fresh transmission, new sound system, has new wiring harness, you name it, it's been done to this. So let me know if you have any questions. We can ship it anywhere. We have financing, and it's here to sell. Thank you.